This is the new DJI Mic 2, a wireless microphone. So today guys, this is our new vlog, and today's vlog we will use this and unbox this new DJI Mic 2, a wireless microphone. And again, let's check, unbox, and check the sound quality. But before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So guys, without further ado, let's start unbox this new DJI Mic 2. So we have the dual package here. So this is the dual, and this is what inside the box of the DJI Mic 2. It's written here. You have your receiver, transmitter, two transmitter, one receiver, or two microphone. So charging base or charging case, carrying bag, clip magnet, uh, mobile phone adapter, which is you have the Type C and the Lightning, and of course the wind screen, which is you have two pieces of the wind screen, camera audio cable, which is TRS to TRRS, and USB-C to USB for charging. So again, guys, before we unbox this DJI Mic 2, again, the specs of this one. This is for two-person, and it's good for interviews, video, and live streaming. Connects to cameras, iOS, and Android devices. Two times clip-on transmitter recorder mics. Of course, this is a compact dual channel microphone with a noise cancelling. Records up to 14 hours of audio with 32-bit float and tunnel recording. Bright OLED displayed headphone out. Built-in rechargeable batteries up to 820 degrees wireless range. So, and guys, this is the specs of this uh, my wireless microphone, and we have the demo unit here. So let's unbox now and check what's inside the box of this DJI wireless mic. Of course, ayun, natapon. We have your manuals, of course, very important manuals, and DJI sticker, the iconic DJI sticker. We have this and it's nice small um hand size or palm size bag. It's very unique. You know, the quality of the DJI bag that they use, it's very nice. And of course you have a new matte cage with a silver color. Okay, this is your 2x windscreen, USB-C to USB-A. You have the TRS to TRS adapter, and you have this silica gel. Do not eat. Just do not eat. Please do not eat. And of course your bag, yeah, or your pouch. So you have two windscreen. This is the windscreen. Yeah, it's same with the dead cat. Oh, this is the windscreen. Yeah. Okay, and you have this oh, first you have USB-C for charging, and yeah, you have LED lights for charging. And just press this, and voila, you have your new DJI mm, wireless microphone. You have two transmitter, one receiver, and of course, you see how beautiful OLED the screen. And now your cold shoe, it's already built in here, guys. So you don't need to remove this part and change the cold shoe. It's because it's already attached and direct. Yeah. And of course you have USB-C and the USB-C and the lightning. So guys, let's switch our microphone. We will now test this DJI wireless microphone. So let's switch now. So guys, this is the DJI wireless mic 2, and I did the clip because there's a magnetic clip that you can use. So I put inside, and yeah, this is the quality of the DJI wireless mic 2. Actually, this is like default settings. I didn't touch any settings from the DJI microphone, so I don't still have no idea what's the quality of this um, microphone, because this is my first test and check for the wireless mic. Let's go. Actually, we have the area here for the demo units, guys. So in this corner, we have our demo DJI products. new product from DJI is demo. Of course, we have DJI Mic 2, which is single. This is a single. And we have DJI Mic 2, which is only that transmitter. And if they said you can use this one from phone via Bluetooth. So let's find out and let's make a vlog one day. Of course, the new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This one. Yes, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's the new DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the latest DJI Osmo Action 4. So, yan. Again, guys, this vlog is about the DJI Wireless Mic 2 or wireless DJI Mic 2. So, this is the quality of the new DJI Wireless Mic 2. So, again, guys, this microphone is still pre-order. So, if you want to order here in AB World. So if you are in GCC country, you can pre-order our new DJI Mic 2. And yeah, kailan ba yun? When? The DJI Mic 2? Can you check, DJI Wireless Mic 2? Kailan? Ito, take video pare. DJI Wireless Mic 2. Again, guys, you can check. So you can check our website www.abworld.com. If you want to pre-order, go to our website and you can pre-order this new DJI Wireless Mic 2. So again, guys, this is the sound quality of the DJI Wireless Mic 2. I will move backward, so just stay there for the camera. Okay, so I'm 5, 6, 10 meters away from the camera. Let's test the sound quality of this DJI Wireless Mic 2. I don't know how many meters I have now. So, ayan, again. So, and guys, again, check our website www.abworld.com if you want to pre-order this DJI Mic, wireless mic, or DJI Mic 2. So, hanggang dito na lang, guys. Thank you. Shoutout sa, anong banda nyo? Sipra. Yan. May gig sila every Friday in ano kaya yun? Check their account, guys, in Facebook. I will link here.